broken heart, I'm feeling about twice my age. And now I'm asking myself, is it still what I want? 'Cause every word's like sandpaper on my tongue. And the rain falls and church bells sound. Not a soul I know could save me now. Well, these walls we built won't hold anymore. And the fire, it falls like rain. I'm watching as the one good thing I did in my life is circling down the drain. So take it away. Never here. I watch in the mirror as my bones disappear. And just like a ghost, I will haunt these halls. You may hear my steps, but I won't speak at all.